In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the underline color in Microsoft Word. This is a simple but very useful formatting feature that allows you to make your text stand out by customizing the underline independently from the text color. Let's begin by looking at a basic example. You may already have text in your document that is underlined, but instead of using the default color, you might want to apply a different one for better visibility or design. The good news is that Microsoft Word makes this very easy to adjust. Start by selecting the text that you want to modify. Once the text is highlighted, move your attention to the toolbar at the top of the screen. Look for the underline icon, which is usually represented by a letter U with a line beneath it. Next to this icon, you will see a small drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow to open more underline options. From here, you can choose the underline style you prefer. After selecting the style, you will notice a color option available in the same menu. By default, the underline color is set to automatic, which typically matches the text color. To change it, simply click on the color selection and choose any color you like. As you hover over different colors, you will see a live preview of how the underline will appear, helping you decide which one looks best. Once you find the color you want, click on it to apply the change. Another way to achieve the same result is by using the font settings. With your text still selected, right-click on it and choose the font option from the menu. This will open a dialog box where you can access more detailed formatting controls. Inside this window, you will again see options for underline style, such as single or double lines, along with a drop-down for underline color. Choose your preferred underline style and then select a color other than automatic. You can preview the changes directly in the dialog box before applying them. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click OK to confirm, and your text will update immediately. That's all there is to it. You now know how to customize underline colors in Microsoft Word to enhance the appearance of your document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.